Just like fresh figs, dried figs are also very beneficial for health. They can be used in cooking or they can be consumed directly. Dried figs are a rich source of dietary fiber. Consuming dried figs regularly prevents constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. They are rich in calcium, which contributes to bone health. They are a nice alternative to dairy products. Dried figs are rich in antioxidants, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They are rich in iron content and they can help reduce the risk of anemia. They combat free radicals and support skills and regeneration, which results in better skin complexion along with a healthier skin. Home remedy to prevent constipation. Soak a few dried figs in water overnight. Next morning, drink the water and eat the soaked figs. Regularly doing this prevents constipation and other issues related like piles, fissures, etc.